Hi, isn't the scenery behind me absolutely breathtaking? I can promise you it's not AI generated or green screened. This is Hongyaodong, a famous attraction in Chongqing. And I'm not the host from a travel channel. I'm James Xu. I'm here to pitch a groundbreaking idea that sparked during my adventure in here. Imagine exploring a new city not through a guidebook, but through a vibrant story from a local. That inspiration led to a travel pal, a platform that connects the travelers with locals who act as a personal tour guide. Just like the stunning backdrop reveal the heart of Chongqing. Our mission is to unveil a hidden gem in every city. Many solo travelers actually struggle to find an authentic experience, relying on generic tours and miss the city's true essence. With TravelPal, travelers connect with passionate locals eager to share their culture. Users can browse their profile and choose guide based on shared interests, just like a fascinating behind Hongyaodong. The global traveling industry is actually booming, with millions of solo travelers seeking unique and meaningful experience. Our business model is very simple and straightforward. We're operating a small commission-based model and taking a small fee from each tour book, ensure both travelers and local guides benefit. Also, we will find a sponsorship to support every booked tour as an advertisement. We're currently seeking your attention to expand our platform. Together, we can redefine how people explore new cities. Thank you for your time. Don't waste of stunning scenery and rich culture on mediocre travel experience. Choose your travel companion wisely, and let's transform travel together. Where every journey is an adventure, every city tells its own story from the eyes of locals. Join us at a travel pal and make exploration personal and unforgettable. Thank you.